Right, what's going on everyone? We're back down at Road Rage Performance where you can see Matt's car just reversing up now. Ready for its dyno after it's had its stage 2, so we're gonna go in there and see what it's putting out. Then we're gonna go for a little drive, but as you can see, well, I don't know if you can see, the weather is shocking today. But yeah, before we start anything guys, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, and guys, go check out Road Rage Performance. They can do all your mapping and performance enhancements on your car. So yeah, we'll crack on with the video. Right everyone, we are back in the car with Matthew Jones, who still hasn't released the videos. I crashed my CVR.
Hello.
That way.
Okay.
So the car's just come off the dyno and it was running how much? You remember how much power?
407 horsepower.
You happy with that?
Yes. Yeah. No, I am. This is stage 2, so as Leon said, that is about where it should be. So that's good. I am happy with that. Yes.
I like that.
Absolutely.
Yeah, absolutely.
That really is sharp.
It's definitely sharp. Matt, tell us what you did to achieve your superb power of 407 brake.
So this car was stage 1, which consisted of a remap and some airbox mods, which you yourself have carried out as well.
Yes.
Yes. And then switch to stage 2, which in order to do that you have to have a minimum of a turbo back downpipe and a front mount intercooler, which was done. And that was done I think about 2 months ago. And yes, the appropriate map obviously has to be put on.
Where did you have that done?
That was at AMD Tuning in Essex.
I like that.
So,
and to obviously achieve that power, you need petrol in the vehicle. So it's just stopping.
We've just done 60 litres from the moat to here.
So what's the plans next?
I don't know.
Buying an RS3?
I think in reality we're going to have to sit and settle with this now. I'm not going to go stage 3 or anything like that with it.
I assume stage 3 would require like a hybrid turbo.
Yeah, new turbo, blah blah blah, or you know, full DK exhaust, etc. All that caper.
It definitely sounds different.
Yeah, it will do because of the
oh yeah, you got the
downpipe. Whereas up this one.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes.
Right, so turning left, Jonesy, if you wouldn't mind giving it the beans up this hill. Oh, we're the lads. Ouch! Isn't the best weather, but you can definitely feel how quick it is.
Yeah, definitely.
Jesus. That lorry in front.
Yeah.
God.
Alright. It's not good. Go on.
Just straight over.
Can't.
What do you mean you can't? Go straight over.
That's the
Straight over.
Oh,
straight
so
over right. Straight over.
First,
straight
yeah.
over left.
So that'll see what it does.
Oh, here we go. Stability off. ECS off. Oh, it did feel a little.
Yeah, I suppose
It's a little tiny bit of a slip, but mate, it still grips, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Brakes are great as well. So, first impressions of the Audi is like every other Audi we've driven. I was saying to when we did the RS6
to change up as well.
No, I'm wasting your petrol. When we did the RS6 video, I was saying if you cover the badge, they're almost all identical. The interiors. That's the only thing I'm not too keen about. But they are fun to drive.
Very nice interiors, admittedly.
And this actually, like you actually said, I can feel straight away. I know we're not even going yet, but you can feel this actually. You can feel this. It feels a bit better than you could in the RS6. I know the gearbox is definitely going to be better than the RS6. But it doesn't have 600 horsepower.
Never been in this passenger seat since those Vemar.
I shouldn't say that is effortless.
PlayStation.
We'll try that bit again in a minute. But yeah, you're right, the classic Audi. I wish you need overarm pops and bangs on this now.
I did talk about the pop and bang.
Imagine that now, right now, it'd be like bah, 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 bah.
But they said to me, by the time you get out of the car park, you'll be bringing it back to say,
Really?
Get it off.
It's not put the power down. Oh wow,
Yeah.
wow, understeer.
Yeah, exactly. I was wondering.
Yeah, do you know what? I looked down. I was like, I can't brake for the pub.
Drop a cog now while you're going forward.
Yeah.
It's these conditions again. That's the problem. Now the problem is problem and a good thing.
Man, I've said 3 times then. Do you know how much editing it takes to get rid of it?
In the snow, right, the traction from the 4-wheel drive is brilliant. However, it lulls you into a false sense of security because what it means, what you forget is that the braking is still every bit as,
do you know what?
as awful.
You know what?
Remember the conditions now. Slow down.
Yeah, I'm not going to go to the pub. I just wanted to. That's.
Fastest car you've ever driven in your life.
No, it's not the fastest car I've ever driven, but it is. Again, it goes back to you don't have to have 700 horsepower to have fun.
It does help though, mate. Let's not be silly about it.
Yeah, it does.
Mind this curve here.
What I'm saying is we went out in the RS6 and this is just as fun, if not more.
There we are then.
So
don't buy an RS6.
Thanks for letting us drive the car, Jonesy. Do you want us to put your social media on, or would you prefer to stay private?
I'm working undercover. I work alone.
Standing around there.
No.
Yeah. I'm assuming you don't want us to plug your social media. You don't really put car stuff on
mate.
your Instagram, do you? Cool. Alright, wicked. Cheers for letting us drive the car.
Put it in park now. Let's do it properly. Come on, son. Put the handbrake on.
Electronic. You tried to power slide it with the handbrake. And then guys and North. What? Go on.
That's alright, go on, you finished plugging.
No, go on, you tell me now.
I was going to say, don't forget if the doors are locked, you need to press the button.
No, not getting out yet. Guys, don't forget the North Coast 500 trip is up. So get your deposits down and we will catch you on the next video.